Hi guys, my name is Nasser Ali. You are watching my YouTube channel Nasser Arif. Welcome back my YouTube channel Nasser Arif. Number 6, iRazo. If you want to watch video ads of high entertainment value, you must explore iRazo. The site has regularly updated collection of short films, app, trailer, cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and much more. You will earn Irozo points by watching videos. The site also has a survey inventory if you are more into taking online surveys. Minimum payout. Payment received. You can receive compensations for your online activities via gift cards for or cash in your PayPal account. Number 7, Price Rebel. Rebel is a free reward site with around 5 million members. You can earn Rebel points by completing online activities which include completing surveys, watching video content, signing up for websites, etc. Payment method. You can redeem Rebel points for free cash or gift cards. Cash will be deposited in your PayPal. Add wallet. Companies pay people for their attention. If you want to ordinary watching videos from your favorite brands, Ad Wallet can be the right platform for you. Once you have created your profile, you will start receiving video suggestions based on your profile, and you will earn a minimum of $0.50 and up to $3 per video viewing. Minimum payout. You need to earn minimum of $10 to cash out. Payment method. There are three ways to get paid: Mastercard, prepaid cards, donations, or e-gift cards. Number 9. UCubes. UCubes offers multiple ways of making money online. You can watch ads, view websites, compete surveys, or watch video to earn money. And if you want to earn more money, refer UCubes to your friends to earn up 15% commission from the people you refer and their referrals. Thanks friends watching my video.